caregiver for someone you love? How do you ask for help? It's kind of tough. Let's unpack that. Here's the truth. You can't pour from an empty cup. Here's how to ask for help without the guilt. Number one, know your limits and honor them. Number two, keep a list of people who offered to help and take them up on it. Number three, ask people for specific help. Most people want to help. They simply don't know how or what you need. Clarify with them what they can do for you. Can you pick up this prescription for me? If I Venmo you the money, can you go grab my groceries? If I order the groceries ahead of time and pay for them ahead of time, can you pick them up? Can you come sit with my spouse while I go run 2 errands? Give people specific ways they can help. They really want to help. And look, I'm a caregiver. I know it's hard to ask for help. I get it. We all have to get better at it. My name is Kim Feff. I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. If you need help as a caregiver, jump over to healthcaresurvivalkit.com.